guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited obviously because today is the day that I get to share with you my add-on selections for my FabFitFun Winter 2025 seasonal box. I'm so excited to share with you guys everything that I currently have in my cart and things I have my eye on. So if you want to hear about everything I have to say about this season's add-on sale, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, you may not realize that I am a FabFitFun lover. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box where you get full-size products every season to kind of get you excited for the season ahead. But they also offer these different sales. So the video that I'm making today is going to be about my add-ons. So the add-on sale is a time for you to add on extra products to your seasonal box. They ship free along with your seasonal box. There's no extra shipping charges, at least in the continental US. So I just love going through the fun add-on sales. So I'm excited to share everything I have in my cart with you guys today. If you are new to FabFitFun and want to check out the service for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box down below. It will save you a little bit of money. And just in case you're curious, this video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I purchase every single item that I'm about to share with you guys on my own. Nothing is sponsored or gifted to me, so hopefully I can be a little bit unbiased in that way for you guys. So as you can tell, I am filming when it is dark outside. I'm doing my best to have as much lighting as I can, but I'm literally filming this just as I got home from work because I had to get this video up and I really wanted to share my add-on selections with you guys. So I decided, why not? Let's just go with it. Let's film during the evening. So I apologize for any lighting issues, but I am trying my best here. The main thing is I'm able to share with you guys what I'm picking for the add-on sale. The same poor lighting probably will also be true for my upcoming Customize With Me video, but if you want to check out everything I'm going to be customizing this season, definitely check out my video that I'll upload after this one. Okay, so I'm just going to scooch over here, as I always do, and share with you guys a picture of the items that I currently have in my add-on cart. And as always, this selection is not going to be the same as it is for my final add-on selections. Over the coming days, I'm definitely going to weed through this a bit. A lot of it is going to be based on your feedback and things you think I should add, things you think I should take out of my cart. And then I will share with you my final selections during my big seasonal box unboxing that I definitely will be posting. All right, so here's currently what I have in my add-on cart right now. And a lot of it this time is honestly no surprise if you watch my channel. It's the London Town nail polishes. I love these nail polishes. I talk about them every single season. I think the values are amazing on FabFitFun. In fact, I'm wearing one of my nail polishes from London Town right now. I tend to do my own manicures just because it's easier for me. It's cheaper, obviously. So I always stock up on nail products. I love the London Town nail products. It's a really good value for your money, I think. So I have a bunch in here that I'll share with you. The first here is this London Town Grip Lock Base Coat. So I'm going to stock up on this. It's $2.99. The retail is about $20, as you can see here. So that is an amazing value. In my opinion, to get the best manicures, you always need a good base coat and a good top coat. So I'm always running through those and trying to stock up on them every season. So I picked up another Diamond Shine top coat, as you can see here. I haven't tried the Diamond Shine finish, so I'm curious about that, but I love wearing a top coat. I think it really improves the wearability of your nail color. So besides those two, I did also put in my cart now this London Town Get Strong nail hardener and matching nail file. I haven't tried this. My nails are not too brittle, I'll say, but I definitely could use a little bit of strengthening. So I am considering picking this up, and you get an extra little nail file, which is handy. And then the other items here from London Town are just colors. So I really love this London Town Perfect Pour Trio. I think it's perfect for these fall and winter months. Really love those colors. I have this other darker color here, the Perfecting Nail Veil in number 10. I thought that was really pretty as well. So that's currently in my cart. And then finally, I have this Holiday Trio. Now that I look at this, I think I might have picked this up last year. I probably have these colors already, so I should consider putting this back. But definitely recommend these colors. Look at those, just beautiful neutrals with the pop of red. Perfect for holiday, so definitely recommend that. So I think that does it for all of my London Town nail polishes. But as you can see, I love to stock up. Definitely recommend those. Another beauty item I have here is the Cream Shop Hello Kitty Face Mask Bundle. So I am probably going to use these for my kids, maybe for little gifts for the holidays, you know, things like that. I think that would be perfect because they're so cute. So I am going to almost for sure pick those up. I think those are adorable. And then I have a little comb here, the Grace and Stella Jade Comb. I want to say this might have been previously offered in a seasonal box before. So if any of you own this, please let me know what you think of it. I just think it's beautiful. I love the jade, and I think it'd just be nice to pop in your purse. So I did add that currently. I have another set of face masks. It's the Capybara Sheet Face Mask. So I don't know why all 4 of my kids are obsessed with capybaras. Part of it, I think, is we went to the zoo when we went to Europe this past summer. So we went to the Barcelona Zoo, London Zoo. We went to, gosh, I can't even remember, one in Italy as well, I know that. So they just love the zoos, and for some reason they always have capybaras, and the capybaras are just an adorable, just interesting animal, we think. So they're obsessed. They have a bunch of stuffies of the capybaras. So I thought this was really funny. I haven't seen a capybara face mask, so I am going to pick that up for them. And then I have this Laura Mercier Caviar Tightline Eyeliner. So I would have loved this if it wasn't black, because I always wear a black eyeliner. But I like to wear a non-black eyeliner on my lower line. So this smoke color might do the trick. I currently use kind of a brownish color on the bottom line, but I think the smoke might be nice. I love Laura Mercier products, obviously the famous powder that she does, but I think the hand creams are nice, but I haven't tried the eyeliner, so I am currently considering picking that one up. I have another little hair product here. It's the Kish Bobby Pin Holder. So my daughter does ballet. She has to wear ballet buns. Actually, both of my daughters do. And they have all these bobby pins. They are scattered throughout the entire house. Can't find them, always have to repurchase them. So I thought this would be kind of fun for her. So I'm probably going to gift this to her. I think this is just a nice little fun gadget that might keep her bobby pins all together. And then along those lines with the Kish products, I did add this active headband set. So my daughters play soccer as well, and they use the Lululemon thin headbands, but I think it can give them headaches, honestly, maybe because it's so thin and tight. So I thought the wider band, like the Kish one here, might be good for that, and they're active headbands. I think it'd be good for kind of working out and stuff. So I'm considering picking those up. I also really love these compression sports socks by Mucklux, especially because it has that comfort backing, the anti-blister backing, which is padded. So I have a pair of socks like this already, which has that little lip at the back with some extra padding. They're so comfortable. I love wearing them with walking shoes. So I thought this would be a little nice set to pick up. Definitely like that kind of style of sock. And then let's see, I have just 2 more items left to share with you guys that I have in my cart. One is this really cute pair of Huggy Hoops. It's from Sahira Jewelry. It's called the Candace Huggies. I don't know anything about this brand, so if you guys do, let me know. I will say this is what I love about FabFitFun is that you get to try different brands that you might not otherwise try. So these just caught my eye. I really am into the multiple style hoop earrings, but also these rings. I'm sure you've seen these connecting rings with multiple loops. Those are really trendy now. In fact, on the add-on sale, I did see a bunch of rings like this. I obviously wear a lot of routine standard daily rings, so I'm trying not to add more costume jewelry rings at this point, but definitely recommend those. I think those are beautiful and really trendy, I think. But this is kind of the same look in a hoop, so I change my earrings every day, so I am gonna try to check these out. I think these are really fun. Just love it. I love the gold tones, so I am probably gonna add those. And then I have one final purchase, which is my priciest one here, and that is this Aloha Collection Pinstripe Day Tripper. So I think that this is so cute. It has a zipper, it looks like. Okay, so I talked a little bit about this Aloha brand if you watch my channel when I went to Hawaii a few months ago. And I saw these Aloha bags everywhere, and that's not an exaggeration. So I bought one. I have one. It's not the Day Tripper because mine doesn't have a zipper, so I think that's the difference here. Mine retailed for $50. This one retails for $72, so I think this one is a kind of an upgraded version. But these were everywhere. It's super trendy, and I can kind of see why. They're splash proof, waterproof. It protects your things, especially if you go to the beach a lot. Especially with the zipper, I think it'd be really great for travel. So I am probably gonna pick this up. I love just the classic stripe. I had a little bit more of a plaid version in the one I picked up. If you want to check out that video, I will link it above in case you're curious about that style. But I am just honestly gonna probably pick this up because I wanted to try the one with the zipper. I love the black and white. It's super practical. You can travel with these. Super trendy and popular, at least in Hawaii, so I have to pick it up. So I'm gonna give this a try. They also had many other Aloha brand products, like little cosmetic bags I saw, little pouches. I definitely have my eye on those as well, but this is a brand that I'm definitely paying a lot more attention to because I've just seen them everywhere. So highly recommend the Aloha brand. I'm going to probably check this tote out. I think it looks really fun. Okay, so I think that does it. That's a lot of add-ons. I wasn't gonna pick up a lot of stuff because there's just a lot of shopping this time of year, as you know, that I was trying to limit myself. I'm probably gonna weed some of the stuff out, but these, in my opinion, are the best of the best that they have to offer. And trust me, I went through every single thing in the add-on sale, and there are a lot. As you all know, if you scroll through all the selections, it takes a while to get through. It takes a while to have the app or the website load. It was a labor of love for me, but I went through every single item, and these are the ones that I thought were the best, at least for me. So comment down below, of course, let me know what you think. What do you think of my picks here? What are your picks for the add-ons, and what do you think I need to try out? And if you're curious what I want to customize my box with, that is going to be my next upload, so stay tuned for that, and definitely check it out, because I'm going to take you through all of the customization options for the Winter 2025 box, and I will let you know what I'm going to pick up for the customizations and give you my opinions as usual about all the items. I thought these add-ons this time were pretty solid. Nothing blockbuster in my opinion, but they're pretty solid. As you can tell, I picked up quite a few things. I also noticed they had some new clothing items. They also had, I really love the little sun hats they had. They also have sunglasses that I always love, like Key Australia I saw in there. Those are some real standout brands for me. And one thing I always talk about too is LMS. If you haven't tried the LMS creams, love those. I'm already subscribed to the night cream, which I will share with you guys in my unboxing video. So I didn't add any of those this time to the cart, but definitely check out the LMS products as well. I highly, highly recommend those. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.